Hello and welcome back with yet another video. Today's video is very important for teachers as I'm going to guide them how you can create your study guides using Claude AI. As you all know, Claude is one of the best AI model that we have to date, and using this I'm going to create one simple level 4 study guide. So I have two things here with me. As you all know, for each module that you are going to teach, you should have two things with you. One, that you should have your learning outcomes, and second, you should have the content that you are going to teach. It can be the level of the module, it can be level 4, level 5, or level 6. It depends on the module, it depends on the degree that you are offering. So I have devised this command prompt, and this is what you are going to give to the Claude. Plus you are also going to give the sample document, and it is going to create a complete study lab for you, or a complete study guide for that specific subjects. So let's start working on this. So I will go to the command prompt here. I will change this and I will create a new project, study guide. You can leave this as it is, as we are going to provide instructions later. Here I'm going to write a command that I have provided you there. Create a level 4 study guide, level 4 module study guide for the diploma in for level 4 diploma in cyber security as follows. So I'm going to provide the complete module detail with learning outcomes and assessment criteria, and also the number of assessments that we are going to offer in that specific module. So I'm going to paste that. Make sure that you're going to paste that here. Also, I'm going to provide one sample format, and it means I'm going to get all the data in this specific format. Let me fix these spelling here. So I have one study guide that I'm going to provide here. So let me upload it here, this one. Okay, I'm going to provide another prompt here. I have attached one sample document. You need to follow the format and structure of the document. Make sure you provide references for reading list after 2020 with Harvard style. Okay, I think this is it. This is the complete command. I have also provided the template that how this document should be created and what are the learning outcomes of that specific module. So I think let's run this and make sure that you are selecting Opus 4.6. So I will give this command. Now it will start working on it. And the good thing about this software is that it is going to give you a complete document, and you don't need to worry about the formatting, and you don't need to change the structure. Yes, you can add the content you can cross verify, and I always recommend that teachers should cross verify the content created by AI, because sometimes it can also make mistake. You also need to verify that the references are latest, plus the references are valid or not. Sometimes it can give fake references as well. So it is getting it into its job, and I hope it will create that, because it is a quite intensive job, so it is taking some time. So we can wait for the complete document creation. I have created so many documents and the uh, content for my classes, and this works perfectly fine for me, as I have created different learning outcomes, different content. Also, the good thing is it can also extract uh, data from different resources like YouTube. It can also offer exercises. It can also offer to-do list for students. So a complete package will be provided with within one document, and also in an optimized format that will be helpful for your students. And you can see it is thinking a lot. It is also collecting data from different resources to make sure that it is completing the command that I have provided here. Once it will be done, I will just cross verify the document, and I will see if there is any mistake in the document. Then I will fix that, and then will be ready to use for my students or wherever you want to use it. But this is my advice, that whenever you are going to get any document done by AI, it can be any AI model, it can be ChatGPT, it can be Claude, it can be Gemini, or any other large language model. You have to verify that your document uh, is clear, plus it is not having any references which are invalid. And if there is any claim that you think that is wrong, you can also change that. Okay, we can wait for this, and then we will restart this video. Okay, so our document is ready, and you can see here this is having complete information about the module, plus it is going to have content, learning outcome, matching each learning outcome with the content, and also providing extensive, you can say, content for each learning outcome. Plus it is also providing the exercises to-do list for students. This is something that is extraordinary, and students and teachers, they can get benefit of it. If you like this video, please like, and also comment and share this video with other fellow teachers and students. I will be back with another video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.